Hello friends, today we're going to take a piece of 2x4, just dimensional lumber for your big box store, and we're going to make, without using a lathe, this beautiful little, what? Planters or display balls. And we're going to see you how, so stick around. If today is your first time visiting with us, I want to extend you a very warm welcome from all of us and invite you to review any of our almost 400 videos, as we are confident you're going to find something useful and enjoyable for your consumption. If you have been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time we post a new video, which is twice a week, midweek and on the weekend. If today is your birthday, I want to wish you a very happy birthday. So now we have to find the perfect center of this piece and this piece, and we actually need to mark it on both sides. And again, the easiest way to find the center is to go from corner to corner diagonally, or diagonally, which is the correct one.
Yeah, diagonally.
Okay, and turn it over and do it on the other side.
It is a perfect square.
Regardless if it's a perfect square, that's the perfect center. In a parallelogram, that would be the perfect center of the parallelogram. It doesn't really have to be a perfect square for what I'm doing. We're not making dice this time.
I have no idea what you're doing.
I don't have any idea what I'm doing either. I've never done it before, so this is an experiment.
That one's off.
Oh no, it's off. You think it's off enough to not be the center? Or?
Yes.
Okay, be careful that on this project it is actually fairly important you have the correct center. Yes, that as well. And until this point I did not use any power tools. I used my hand saw, not even my favorite Japanese hand saw, but the American style hand saw to cut those pieces of wood out of a 2x4 that in a previous contract, in a previous project, we actually squared. And what I mean by square means that we knocked off the little, what do you call them, the rounded edges. Sometimes you do not want to use rounded edges, and when you use a 2x4, you need to be cognizant of that. They all have rounded edges. What?
That is jerking my hands, and I'm afraid it's going to jerk into the blade.
What happened here? Something in my system doesn't work. We're not really centered here. We're not. What?
You're going in reverse.
Okay, fine. Tell me. You don't have to touch me because
Stop,
it is
stop,
not
stop.
tight.
I know it's not tied, that's why I said stop.
So pull it out.
What you were looking at?
Because it's more shallow here than over here.
Yeah, because I have to rock it, otherwise it doesn't fit.
The one at the bottom is flat, right?
Yeah. The beginning is hard, you know? You have another one that probably has a better chuck. This chuck is just... I want to look. Can you come and stop the...
So pull it out.
Well, I'm trying to figure out what is wrong with my...
Help me find the middle.
I think we're at the middle.
You said we weren't in the middle last time.
Well, the last time we weren't. I think we were, no, I think we're not in the middle. We're not in the middle. Can you see?
Push it down a little more. Let's see. And we're just shy.
Okay. Tell me where. I think we're not in the middle right now. Not this we do, I guess.
Come down one more time.
I think we're okay. No?
Alright, I'm not going to move it. I'm going to try not to move it. Wait till I move my thumbs out of the way, please. Okay.
I think. I think we're getting too much. We have a knot here, and that might be our problem.
You're at depth, yeah. Now we've flipped it over and we're doing the back side.
Huh? What? It's installing the motor, so our belt is okay. Are we done?
Yep, it's at depth.
But we're not done.
It's at depth.
That's it, but I mean, this would be off, right? Like with this one.
That's not quite here. Almost. So then just adjust the depth a little bit?
Yeah, okay, I'm waiting. That's what my government plan works, I suppose. Why are we stopping?
It's turning, so it's not.
What is it?
The block inside is turning.
Oh, I couldn't see that. Alright. It might be taking the time. I understand, as long as it's... It doesn't make me a voiceover, because this is... I'm just doing it now, of course.
You're not centered now.
I was centered.
I know, but look.
Turn it around, please.
Turn it around.
Not like this, unhook it and turn the whole thing around. There was one face that had some damage there, so that kind of, you know. Tell me when you're ready. Ready?
Yep.
Did it start? Can you unscrew this all the way out? That goes in the other direction, all the way out.
So this way?
Yeah. I forgot, this is very old wheel and has weird adjustments. Okay, thanks. Don't overdo it because now we can break it. How long do you think we have? We shouldn't have too much more, right? Okay, we need to let this cool a little bit. So what do you think of the concept? We have another one that you want to.
I think you're going in reverse again.
This doesn't have reverse.
Oh, it doesn't
No,
at all?
no.
Okay. Alright, we have to restrain. The second one for some reason wants to get out of the clamp. The first one wasn't doing that for us. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the more powerful part. Okay, at this point you could actually go all the way through and connect the two and have a closer one, right? But we decided to go for two separate, right? Yep. Alright, let us get ready. Our next equipment will be right with you.
And we let everything take a bit out when it gets cooler. No lip.
You can use this dial.
Because if you don't lock it, it won't matter. Is it plugged in? Just this one?
Yes, no, both. We are going to use our...
Hold on. I'm not actually filming anything. Camera's not on and everything.
That's why I wasn't going. So this takes over our viewers. Is that how long?
I'm trying to run 2 cameras.
I don't think so.
Okay, go.
So the first one, if you recall, we had some difficulty, the wheel was moving, and that was because the wood had some imperfection here. So it was not a problem in general with the design. Make sure that it doesn't. And now we are going to try to put a little bit of the rounding, right? Oh my God. Very good. Alright, if you don't have any people, just wait till it comes. I think it's the camera. I think it looks good, right?
I think it looks fine like that.
So, are we using the power sander or inside? No, whatever you want. You want it.
You know I don't like it.
Well, that would be less dangerous.
Public hand sanding, because as you're trying to apply pressure on the power sander, you can risk damaging the holes.
I like it. This is really good. Don't forget about the mini bolt.
Yeah, and I like this because it's going to bring some really nice
Can
character
you put a
to
little
it.
oil on it or something?
Yeah. Good.
So, my idea.
Yep.
I think we're going to work out. We're going to see something.
No, we were at Aldi.
Now, I think the idea is to start making the tape. Period.
Because the second one for some reason wants to get out of the clamp. The first one wasn't doing that for us. Everything we are.
Maybe not as deep as this one. Easy.
I don't do anything different.
No, but you're gonna break it if it keeps jerking like that.
So what you says
I'm
do?
not sure what I would suggest. It's grabbing hold and making it spin even inside the clamp, and
Yeah,
then it
because-
wants to lift up.
Because this is a more
Powerful plug. Let's see.
a little more.
Yeah, a little more.
Slightly a little more closer. I don't know why. That's it? Okay, at this point you could actually go all the way through and connect the two and have a taller one, right? But we decided to go for two separate ones, right?
Yep.
All right, let us get ready our next equipment and we'll be right with you. So the first one, if you recall, we had some difficulty, the drill was moving, and that was because the wood had some imperfection here, so it was not a problem in general with the design. Make sure that it doesn't. And now we are going to try and put a little bit of a, what do you call it, a rounding, right? Something like that. That's great, isn't it? Alright, I'm gonna hemicycle. Just wait, it will focus. What do you think? We need to pass it again or not? I think it looks good, right?
I think they look fine like
With a little
that.
bit of sanding, it'll be
So,
perfect.
are we using the power sander or hand sanding? No, whatever you want. The only negative is that this process gives a very rough surface, so definitely this needs a good sanding.
I don't know. I actually kind of like the concept of the rough surface, but
So we're going to take it totally smooth.
Depends on the
It
liquor
still
going.
has very characteristic grooves in it, but a rough sand is not going to hurt that.
right. You're basically just looking to get rid of splintery type material, right?
Yeah. And if you want, we can leave one untouched to show the difference.
No, I don't think so.
This I'm going to speed up. Are you recording the AQ and go
I
on
don't
with
know.
it?
I don't know. Gotta look.
I don't know. Hold on. No. But it's memory switch, so it's done.
Okay, then I can take it off. Huh?
Yeah, and if you can turn it off, please. You need to hold it turn off. When you press it once, it just changes modes. Are you sure you don't want the machine?
Can you hold this up for a second?
It's actually going to come along really pretty with the grain. Going around in a circle like that.
I think so too.
Show the rings of the tree.
Yeah, that's nice.
This is where one of our little sander, finger sander, can work for the inside.
Want to go get it?
Oh, it's up there, I know where it is. Well, I don't know, I'm just thinking. Do we need to sand the inside?
I don't think the inside needs it. It's just your outside. I was just wondering if the finger sander would make the outside go a little faster, but not as aggressively as your big belt sander.
You can go very slow on the little circle. Not on the top, but not even actually.
It also just creates an amazing amount of dust.
You always forget to print the dust collection.
No,
Didn't forget, most of the tools you used today didn't have a dust
No,
collector.
honey, not
But
that.
for the-
I have a dust collection. See that? That's a dust collection.
That's box fan.
That is a very effective dust collection system. That costs $12 in a 99-cent filter. Oh, I can go to Harbor Freight for $400. I can buy you an extra one.
you want to do the bottom just a skosh?
Hopefully change the contour of the curve. So let's solve first of all next to each other. So you can see the difference that the sanding does. And potentially you could leave it like that, right? If you like this roughness.
But
if
if
you
you
want
like
it really rusty.
twine or something,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
we call that stuff, not twine, but
Jute.
jute. Yeah, so it kind of reminds me
Yeah.
like that. Which is not terrible looking, but I think it would be better, more smooth.
Yeah. Especially this particular one, which has such nice.
Well, that's what we gave us trouble when we're
Yeah, I know, but that I think is what's going to make it really pop out. We know anytime we do any kind of cut or anything with a knot,
It's beautiful, but it's a pain in the...
yeah, it makes it far more challenging.
I wish I could tell something to do with this. How about the picture frame?
Can't stand it.
I can sand it inside. I have little sandies that I can put on a grill. I can sand it inside. What do you think? Any other ideas?
That could be an
This is
interesting
actually our offcut, right? So we don't plan to do anything with it, but I'm looking at this and get a very interesting shape. And I'm wondering, what can you do with this?
frame. Definitely make an interesting frame.
Yeah, I think so. Would you mind doing it again, folks? So what things will we use in those? Color? Something that brings the thing, or you want me to polyurethane? It's a warm day, but this is dry. Talk to you about it now. So as we said, we went from this to this too. And now we're going to just use, what kind of oil we're using?
This is grapeseed oil.
We're going to use grapeseed oil because we are thinking to put little plants here, right? and we don't want to use chemicals that would potentially kill the plants. But if you want them just for decoration, you could actually paint them. If they're worse quality wood, you can do all kinds of things. But for our purposes, we're going to use oil, and we hope it's going to bring the grain out very nicely. Okay.
You need
It needs
quite
to
a
be
bit.
heavier.
Yeah, it needs to be because of all the grooves in it.
So this is an I mean, it does look great actually. I think is that the less or the more coarse? I don't know.
I think that one's less coarse for whatever reason.
I think that looks beautiful.
Put them next to each other real quick. And now the sides, please. Yeah.
Can you turn it? No, turn it the...
Oh yeah.
especially there. So this will pop out too, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. And if you want to use maybe some fake plaque decorations, a quick trip to the dollar store will get you enough small rocks to put in to hold them, and for under $3 you can buy everything you need to make this a very nice display piece for your office or for gifts or for what else can we use those for? All kinds of things, really, right?
A little jewelry holder,
Yeah.
like at the sink, you're washing your hands.
Yeah. Like women like to take their rings off sometimes to wash their hands, so that'd be a nice little place to put them, or washing dishes, or any kind of food prep where you're taking off your jewelry. Keeps them nice and
And
safe.
look at that knot thing.
Yeah, that looks nice.
And of course, like all our projects, this is very scalable, right? I mean, you can find really up to, I think, 5 inches hole saws. Actually, we have one, I think, because we made that hole there, didn't we? Up in our
I want to
exhaust.
say, yeah.
I don't know where it is, but I know we have one. I think it's white, to be honest.
Yeah.
So you can scale this way up, and even if you don't have a Forstner bit, you can actually use other methods, and then maybe try in a future episode use some other method to hollow the middle without using a lathe, which Miss Wizard hasn't let me buy yet.
But we can do so many things without one. To your
I'm
point.
forced to do things without one because I don't have one. See, if we have a lathe, we could make some really cool things. I think that looks decent, right?
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be a nice contrast, no?
That's nice.
So, am I in your way?
You totally are. Actually, that's kind of a cool shot.
Okay.
I'll stay there.
Done?
Yeah.
Well, friends, and we've reached the end of our episode. This is our end result out of one piece of wood. In fact, out of this piece of wood. And we hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give us a thumbs up and like our videos. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Share, like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know what you thought of this video in our channel. And we hope that you're going to visit with us again soon for more unique and interesting projects and a lot of repairs and tips and tricks. I did it.
Ticks and trips, yes.
Tips and tricks. From the Garage Wizard, Mrs. Wizard, and Elpida, we bid you a great week.